Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today's video is all about my birthday week. For my birthday, I like to eat all of the foods that I love to eat, buy things that I want. And so Monday, we went to Kababi and we had some Persian food. I was very, very happy because I haven't had this for a while and I love the Persian food there. I also tried grape mogu and loved it. So, my birthday is at the end of this week and it's a public holiday, so I'm making sure to do all of the things that I want to do, all my favorite things this whole week. So yesterday we went and ate at a Persian restaurant that I've been wanting to go back to for a while. That was Monday. Today is Tuesday. I just went to the doctor. It's almost 6 months since my hysterectomy, and so I needed to get a new referral to my gynecologist. So I went and did that this morning. I woke up at like 7 or 8 o'clock, and I turned off my alarm and then went back to sleep, and my appointment was at 10:20. I woke up at 10:16. Very happy that they still took me. I got here at 10:25, so happy they still accepted me, and I got my letter of referral, so I don't have to worry about that. What else do I have today? I have been telling myself that I need to buy a new pair of basketball shoes for years now. And when I played on Sunday, I could actually feel the sole moving inside the shoe. So I knew it was time. So today I'm going to buy a new pair of basketball shoes for myself. So come along and see which ones I choose. So I had to go to 3 different stores to find the shoes that I wanted. I really wanted these Asia ones, but they weren't any available in my size. The only ones available were these. Very disappointed. So I went to Rebel. They didn't have A1s, so then I looked at the Sabrina 3s and they didn't have the blue Sabrina 3s that I wanted. So I went to Nike didn't have either of them. Then I went to Foot Locker, and Foot Locker had only the A1s. They were purple. Once you saw them in real life, they were actually really nice, but they only had 1 pair and it was not my size. So I went back to Foot Locker. No, not Foot Locker, Rebel. And I got the Sabrinas that I wanted, that Sabrina 3s, but in the color that I didn't really care for. I'm not a pink person, so yeah. I got them. They're comfortable. They seem to fit my feet well, and the whole purpose was I wanted to support women basketballers, not the men. So yeah, I got Sabrina 3s, new basketball shoes. They didn't have the higher top that I usually get, but they're basketball shoes. I'm supporting women's basketball, so pretty happy. Gonna try walking in them for after I eat my butter chicken. The shoes are really comfortable. I really am happy with them, so yay. I was even happier with my butter chicken naan from Aldi. I love butter chicken, and it reminds me of Samoa because we used to eat butter chicken from the curry house in Vailima all the time, but the butter chicken here has not been the same, so I was very happy to have discovered the butter chicken naan from Aldi because it was actually really good, and I would eat that again. Today is Wednesday and I got up early to water my garden, but also because today I'm taking my mother to her different doctor's appointments. I was very, very happy I got my Measina Siva jacket as my mum and I at the hospital. Today I also got a Carl's Jr. Hawaiian Angus burger and a chocolate milkshake. I love teriyaki burgers from Hawaii, and this is the closest I can get to a teriyaki burger without having to cook one. Plus, I love chocolate milkshakes. I am lactose intolerant, so was very grateful that it did not have an impact on my stomach. Today is Thursday and it is my mum's 75th birthday. I got up and made her breakfast. We had ham steaks. When I was young, she used to make ham steaks for us for breakfast, so that was something that brought back a memory for me. We had some scrambled eggs, veggies, and protein pancakes. So very delicious. Breakfast in bed is always great. So, today is Thursday. It is my mum's birthday, so we are doing a joint birthday celebration. So, tomorrow is my birthday. It's like my mum's birthday present. But it's a public holiday, so we thought we would join together so that people don't have to come more than once. Yeah. So I spent the day cleaning. I just got my new jacket. I'm very happy. Yeah, so Measina, Siva have merch. They're in the store. I'll put a link in the description if you want to support Siva in Melbourne and getting it to grow. Yeah, so I've just cooking pies, so I'm gonna go put things out on the table. Come join me for our birthday celebration. Oh, I just had a shower, which is why I've got this on my head. Yeah.
1.15 miles times 60. No, wait, 1 knot. 115 times 6.
It's gonna be 100.
100? It's not 100?
No, look, 1 knot equals 1.15 miles, yeah?
Yeah.
And there's 100 knots.
So that's
We're going at 100 knots.
Yeah.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
115
15, yeah.
Miles per
And we-
hour?
miles per hour.
Yes.
And we've gone for 60 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
So
So
115
that's
times
560.
6,900.
So then if
See,
you
I told you, we have a smart person. Good job, sweetie. Good job.
Uncle went his head. So 2 big squares is 100 miles. Looking at
Then where are we?
the
Where did we leave?
teeth thing.
We left at Miami. Veradaro, is that where we left?
We left to Miami and then we went to Freeport.
But where's Veradaro?
There, up the top. So that's
Oh yeah. No, the top up. On the
top of
right
Cuba.
of Havana. Right of Havana.
yeah.
Oh,
So
no.
what's that? Three.
F6?
F. S.
What's your name?
Or G. F. Is it 3 or 4? F4.
That's where we left.
Yeah.
And now we've gone
I learned this in my math class.
6 up, yeah? Because each one is how long?
It's 50 miles.
So
50 miles.
One,
So then you need
2,
12 squares.
3,
This can't be right.
5, 6, 7,
No, it's 6. Isn't it 6?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
100.
14 and a half.
1 knot is 1.15
Miles.
Where are we going?
times
100 equals 115 miles per hour, and then that's per hour.
We've been travelling.
So we've had another hour, so it's 230. Is it 230?
No, because we've only travelled 1 hour.
Yeah. So we've travelled for another hour, and in
1
we've
hour.
already done.
Yeah, so that means we've only done 115 miles.
Yeah.
Because it's been 1 hour.
Yeah, well, how far is that?
So that's like roughly 2 squares above. So we're just above Florida Key. Like
Yeah.
Florida
So
Keys.
we're like, yeah.
So just
F-
to say that we're
six.
F6.
Like Keys West.
F6?
Yeah.
Can we?
Copy 3PO. I need you to confirm your location. Can you give me your current grid reference? Over.
A 6?
Okay. I've got you on radar, 3PO. Please make sure you're
Nice.
We just use the local pilots.
The pilot is incapacitated. Over.
Exactly. Money laundering. Left us parachute, left us.
Well, that's first for me.
What are you doing here?
Yes. Okay.
Is the plane damaged? Over. What is the extent of your aviation experience? Over.
I'd say it's all 0. Cockpit when I was 12, thinking West Straight. Just calling to pass the time around. Sorry, 0.
Don't panic, C3PO. I'm gonna get you on the ground. Are you ready for some instructions? Over.
Morgan, how far ahead are you?
First, disengage the autopilot. Set heading to north.
I'll do it on your phone.
Speed to -1.
I'm ready to time my notebook. Okay, it's gonna be on the notebook.
Got it so far, writing down in my name.
Wait,
Heading north.
disengage the autopilot. Set heading northeast 6, yeah?
Yeah.
It's 6. Not this.
Disengage. Set heading to northeast 6. Set ready for speed.
It's gonna be on the notebook.
Really?
Then, set airspeed to 90 knots and flap to 20 degrees. That will put you on a nice gentle descent to Palm Beach International. When you're set, put the landing gear down and you'll be ready to land. Got it? Over.
Copy that.
Which one you want?
The second one.
I don't understand a word you just said.
Yeah.
Provided the flight instruments are functioning, you should be okay. Pay attention when you press things. If you feel the plane shake, you're doing it wrong.
Oh shit.
Ah, okay.
Got it.
Disengage.
What?
Notepad's gonna tell me, yeah?
Oh, good.
Disengage the closed mode. Heading to northeast. Border, there's the flash.
Northeast. Heading to northeast 6. Up there? Is it
Yeah.
that? On the
plane.
the round dial. The top left? Yep. Then go northeast 6. To the right. Turn it right.
You can't.
Oh. Oh.
You're gonna experience
So they
it on
press
the
the-
plane.
Oh, so you gotta turn the
The
wheel.
wheel.
The arrow.
We are
No, other way. Other way, other way.
We are
Yeah, go ahead.
Again.
Hello, Grandma.
I want it on that six.
You want it to land on
What are
the
we doing after this?
There.
Yep, that's it.
Good.
Good. Flaps down.
Nice.
220.
Oh, vertical speed minus 1,000.
You're supposed to go
Vertical.
Yeah, I'm shooting.
Up. Minus what?
I'm ready
1,000.
for Zion to come
Go
in.
down to the one.
Whoa.
Oh, one.
Turn the throttle, G. You ever experienced Roblox planet on the plane? Full throttle. Where's full throttle?
How much?
Minus 1,000.
No, that's air, not speed, not vertical speed. Go back up.
Manifold. Just kidding.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, you've
minus,
gone
yeah.
up, not down. Go down.
Just keep going down there.
Just call me Keanu, alright?
Keep going, Keanu. Alright, now the knots.
90.
Airspeed 90 knots.
I don't get it.
Okay, so where? Oh, go back the other way.
Keanu's a pilot.
Okay.
I can't.
Yep. There you go. That's 20 degrees.
Mom, do you know if Damon and Dale are coming?
Yeah.
It says orange. It's up.
It was green.
Oh, we're gonna die!
I'm supposed to do that.
Turn to back off. Wait, what was it?
You don't do that until you
We're
start
landing.
landing.
So we need to see where we are.
That's when you're at the
What do you mean?
Now go back.
conveyor belt.
So you can see if we're...
We ain't nowhere yet.
Now you should be like on a good.
Oh, if only Keanu was here, he could help us.
No, that goes back out to the plane. That's all.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
gonna jump off. That doesn't help. Use the lemon.
Well, I wonder what the time is.
It's
Have we missed something?
yes. Flaps in 20 degrees. Landing gear. Last.
Well, it's only 1835.
Yeah.
But
We've
yeah,
got ages.
till 20.
Yeah, it takes too long, mate.
What are you doing? Turn her to the left.
Hey.
Oh yeah, Uncle Aaron.
Nice.
Alright, we're dead now. We're just gonna blow up. Imagine we just blow
What's
up.
that here?
No.
I was gonna say.
Best escape room ever.
Good.
Well, it definitely made us think.
Miami Bay.
Ready? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, let him out. Good girl. How come he's
leaving them for you.
She's leaving it for you now.
Today is my birthday, so I thought I would start it by going for a cold beach dip with Logan and Nat. We weren't extra early. We went at about 9 o'clock because, yeah, we slept in. Oh my gosh! Okay, I can't go any further. No, I can't. But it's hurting. This is not what I remember. This is so sore. Are you sore? Okay, that was good. Oh my goodness! Okay. Ever since Logan was young, our birthday breakfasts were always, or most likely, McDonald's. And so I got McDonald's for my breakfast on my birthday. I chose McGriddle because that's my favorite right now. And I don't know when it's going to end, but I feel it will end sometime soon. So I got McGriddle for my breakfast. They did mess up the drink. I didn't get my hot chocolate, but I am still happy. So we're going to a market, and the market is just about plants. So I thought that would be great if I could get some new plants. So we're here in Leverton to look for plants. So if you've been watching our YouTube videos for the last year, you've noticed that gardening has become something that I really enjoy. And so for my birthday, I wanted to go to the gardening show, see if I could get anything. And then I came home and I watered my garden. So gardening has become something that I love, and I've actually started another YouTube channel just about my garden. So if you want to keep up to date with my garden and my gardening, I'll put the link in the description so you can follow along. I actually got a plant from the garden show thingy that I really wanted for a very long time, and I didn't think that it was one that would grow very well here in Melbourne, so I got it anyway. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. It's a mango tree. I'm very excited. Here are some of my seedlings which I've discovered. I've planted in the wrong pot. These have no holes in them, so they're slowly dying. So I've replanted them. But yeah, here's my mango tree. Very excited. I feel like it's very young. It's been grafted, but the flowers on it I don't think I should keep, so I think I have to cut them. Tell me in the comments if you think I need to cut the flowers from the mango tree. For dinner, I went all out for my birthday dinner. I got a steak with mushroom sauce, and I also got garlic prawns. I am allergic to garlic. I had a reaction, but it was well worth it because I've not had garlic prawns for so long, and they're one of my favorite dishes of all time. And so, yeah, this is my birthday week. Hope you've enjoyed.